Hello friends. How are you? That's great. So once again, it's me, Crispus Bika. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been bringing you various Google apps. We looked at the Google Drive, Google Email, Gmail, sorry, and looked at the Google Drive as well. So today I brought for another product, and it's about the Google Maps. Most of you know about Google Maps. You have Google Maps in your phones, in your PCs. So today I want to teach you simply how to do about some of the features or how to locate places. Don't get lost when you have Google Map in your phone. So simply just go. If you have a PC, you follow the steps. As well, if you have a phone, you can use some of the features. I'm going to open the app and you'll see how I will be explaining to use some of the features found in the app. So from I'll come to my Google Chrome. I open it. I will click on Google Chrome. So it's opening, it's loading. So I come to my email, which is this. I'll come to the icon you're seeing up here, which is talking about the Google, the icon, this icon here. It brings the Google apps. Sorry, there's something I have to finish down here. So this icon here is one I'm talking of. The Google Maps is this one here. So I come and click on this. So you see it has brought for me a map. It has brought for me a map as you're seeing. So let me simply first type in the map of Uganda generally. You see the features I will try to mean. The map of Uganda showing districts. So let's use this one here showing districts. So you see the map is here. So you see how simple this map is showing the major districts you see in Uganda. So it's not so dignified. So if I want to enlarge this one here to make it more, to make it look, increase the view, I'll just come. Sorry, I'll come on this feature here. You're seeing this one here minus plus. This one is for zooming in. Sorry, out, and this is for zooming in. So I'll come to plus plus. Now I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, so you see before here, if I zoom out, you see it is trying to bring it clear some of the districts which are not seen clearly. So you see I've zoomed in. Are you seeing it is showing me the major roads, the major districts, and the places? So I want to teach you something. I want to like explain for you something which is concerned with this map. Let's take for instance, I am in a place. Particularly, I will use my district where I come from, which is Kiryandongo. Kiryandongo district. So Kiryandongo district is here. I search it. I want the map of Kiryandongo district. So Kiryandongo, sorry, there was an error here, I think. The map of Kiryandongo I search. So you see this is the map of Kiryandongo. So there was some typing error. So you see this is the map of Kiryandongo as you're seeing it, okay? So let's take for instance, I will further continue to zoom in this map here. I will zoom in, okay? As you're seeing, they're saying zoom in. So this thing, it is zooming more. You see Masindi Port, Kinyara, Chigumba, Kisunga, Kikuwe, Bweyale, Katulikire. That's now along the Gulu Kampala highway. That route you use while going to from Kampala to Gulu. So it is trying to show me those places found along the roadside. So I zoom further. Now I want to explain something here a bit. First, remove this. So if this is my map, this is my map, and now let's take for instance I'm traveling from Let me say Chigumba, this place. This is Chigumba. Fine. So I'm in Chigumba, I'm here. So I want to go to Boyale. Let's take for instance, I want to go to Boyale, which Boyale is somewhere here. If you have to see it, it is somewhere here, quite far. It is here. So you see Boyale, the destination. So this is my this is my current place. I want to go to Boyale. So automatically, if I have this Google map, I'll just come to this map and I open it. It will show me clearly that the road from Kagomba to Boyale is only one road. There's no any juncture, there's no any other Panya road. So it's only one highway which will take me to Boyale. So in that, I will not get lost. So there are other features that can come in here. I can come here like I explained for you in Boyale here, because I know Boyale is some quite busy town. So I can come and tap in it. I zoom Boyale particularly. So this is town Boyale. I can further zoom because this app gives you a lot of things. So you see, now I've reached in Boyale. Maybe let's take for instance I was looking for Boyale Town Council, the offices of Boyale Town Council. So you see, I will come and look for it in this map. So that I easily locate it. I will see most of the major places in Boyale. I see this side there's no Boyale Town Council offices. I come, I come, I come this side. It's not there still. So I cross this side of the road. I come this side. I'm looking for where town council offices. You see where it is? It is somewhere here. So if I'm in Woyale town, they have dropped me. Let's take for instance, they have dropped me in Woyale Tax Park. As you're seeing, Tax Park is here. I'm from Chigumba. Now I've reached in Woyale Tax Park. Now I want to go to this place. So you see how simple it will be for me to locate it. I'll just come on my map and I estimate. I say I'm in Woyale town tax park, which is here. I want to come in this place, so I can just come and see this place is quite near for me. So it will be easier for me to even to like propose the amount I'm supposed to pay to the border guy to take me to drop me off to this place. So I will see. I will come and calculate. I will see like how many kilometers, like how many meters, of are from here. Sorry, are from the tax park to Woyale Town Council offices. So I urge you members, please make use of this map, make use of this app in your phones so that you don't get lost. Okay. So if I'm choosing a starting point, I want to measure the distance from here, from Woyale Town Tax Park to Woyale Town Council offices. I'll come and say choosing a starting point. My starting point is Woyale Tax Park. Sorry. Woyale Taxi Park. Now I'm going to my destination will be now Woyale Town Council. Woyale Town Council. So that's my destination. So you see, now I want to search. You see, I'm from Woyale Tax Park to Woyale Town Council. You see, so you see the distance I will take. They will pass me via this route to this route to this route to up to the where I'm going. This is my starting point. This is my destination. So you see, I will be able to see how much I will use 50. Actually, they're telling me I will use, if I use this route, I will use 15 minutes. It is 1.1 kilometers. But if I use this route, I will only use 14 minutes, which is it's only 1 kilometer. So I'm advising you, members, if you have this app in your phone or in your PCs, simply just download it. If you don't have it, you can download it on Play Store. You can download it on App Store. You install it on your phone and make better use of it so that you don't get lost in places where you're not familiar with. I think I've tried to enlighten people who have been coming across this app and they don't know how to operate it. Simply just follow these procedures I've been explaining to you so that you don't get lost or you don't get stranded in any condition as far as your experience or your anything is concerned in your life. So because you may go in a place where which you're not familiar with. Let's take for instance you're going in a city of which it's your first time to go there and they have directed you come in such a place which you don't know. You can simply just follow those procedures, get to your map, type in your starting point, go to your destination, and then you search. It will show you the possible routes to take and the minutes you're going to take to reach that place. So it has remained me, Bika Crispus. This is my official YouTube channel. Please, I beg you to watch and subscribe for my videos so that you continue supporting me as well. Thanks. See you in another video which I will create in time to come, teaching you about more other basic computer skills. Purposely, I'm going to be running through computer skills, some of the applications, some of the common things we encounter when you're using computers. Thanks.